So today I am bringing you guys this hair straightener. This is from Duvolle, and they are a company that reached out to me and asked me if I wanted to try out one of their products. So today I'm going to be doing a hair tutorial for you guys on how I straighten my hair using this hair straightener, flat iron. I'm a very simple person. I don't really buy like super expensive hair straighteners. I mean, I think my last one cost almost $100, so this one was like double the price. So Alex from the company, thank you so much, reached out to me and they decided to send me this hair. Okay, this is the Impulse Far Infrared Hair Straightener. I may be saying that real wrong. So this is not like my hair care routine. By all means, this is just kind of what I do when I'm in a hurry and I need to straighten my hair or get ready to do something to go somewhere, which it is totally fine. I mean, there must be a reason why it is so expensive. The quality is great, but today I'm going to be reviewing this one and I'll let you know how the quality is. They're kind enough to send me this one. It was... I will link everything down below so you can go check it out, so you can go buy one if you want. I do not get any money for doing this. I did, however, get gifted this straightener, so that's all I'm doing from this. Not doing. Okay, so I am gonna go in and read a few of the 147 product reviews. Let's see if there's any low reviews, because I honestly don't know. A lot of them say excellent. I didn't do my best method and it came out so well anyhow. Great product, amazing flat iron, love it. Like a lot of 5 stars, guys, like almost all of them. Let's go on to the next page. Again, nothing but like goodness. I'm in love with these flat irons. They're amazing. One of the things that I like about them is that they have an automatic shut off after 50 to 60 seconds, which my babyless flat irons do not have. Love the slick look on them, and especially that area at the top of the iron where you can't put your fingers at. It worked. I love everything about this product. I am able to straighten my hair in less time. The temperature is great, and I love the tourmaline plates, whatever that is. I guess they're tourmaline. I used Chi for years, and after I bought this, there's no going back. So anyway, regardless, like I haven't found any bad reviews, so they're all good. And I did review it. Usually I try it out like on camera, but I have been using the straight iron, so I can also say that I give it an excellent review. Like, it is amazing. At first, I'm not gonna lie, when I first tried it out, I didn't like it. I thought I wasn't gonna like it because when you do run through your hair, it doesn't grip on tight, but I do have no hair, so that might be why. But I do notice if I grab like a good chunk, it holds beautifully. And honestly, when I straighten my hair, I feel like it gives me a much more silkier look. This is my hair straight out of the shower. I even blow dried it, which I rarely do. I only do if I'm gonna go out and I'm in a hurry and I need to get ready. I blow dry it, and so this is pretty much my natural frizz. So it's frizzy. I bleach my hair, so what can I say? But yeah, so I love the sleek look of it. Like, it's really pretty. Just a real nice black plates. When you turn it on, I'm gonna show you here. It has a few settings. It has 270, 320, 360, 410, and 450. So it does go like pretty high. It has the one on and off button here. So when you click, automatically, can you guys see that? The blue light goes on to 270 and onward, like it just goes up and up. So I usually put it at the 410, and the plate here, as you can see, it has like it lights up in the middle. So that's pretty cool. I guess that's maybe like, I don't know all the technicalities of this product, but it seems cool. The only thing I would say is that it's so sleek that sometimes you can burn yourself. So you have to be really careful but I love it. Like, it looks really good. It seems very high quality. It heats up super fast, like in no time. So that being said, we're just gonna go ahead and get into it. I'm just gonna show you, this is the before. So guys, I literally can do my hair in like 5-6 minutes. I don't have a lot of hair. I don't know if that matters, but that's what I do. I do, however, always use a wet brush to brush my hair. And this is what I use so far. Like I use a lot of different products so my hair won't get used to it. But this is the Tresemme Heat Protectant. I always spray it in. So I usually saturate my hair using this oil. This is the L'Oreal. I usually do use Exquisite Oil from Biolage, and it works almost the same. Like it has a lot of the similar properties. So basically I just part my hair in two and then I just go for it. So I just grab a chunky hair and then I just kind of go for it. I don't know if you can curl. I'm pretty sure you can curl using this, but I'm not one that has ever used one of these to curl my hair. Like, you go girl if you're that talented, but I have not reached that level. I use a barrel. And maybe just because I'm so used to the barrel, I've never tried teaching myself. I know like girls grab on, turn it, and it curls. I do that, and it does like give me more of a like, you know, like I don't know what I'm trying to describe, but it gives me that volume look. So I just turn it and go downwards and it like does that. So as you guys can see, it really does magical things. I forgot to mention it does come in this beautiful package, PR box, whatever, or just the box that it comes in. It comes in this little velvet little compartment and it's pretty cool. So I honestly just run it through a few times. Like right now, I'm not even looking into another mirror. So I think it would probably be done. Like it feels super soft. Automatically just feels so good, so. All right, now I let down the second chunk. This is a tiny little, this is a tape-in extension. But yeah, again, I just grab and straighten. So just do this slowly. So here, my hair gets a little wild because it's like, I don't know, I feel like my hair grows out a little wavy. So I try to grab it really close and just run this through. This is where I do have problems, where I wish I had my other straightener that just like grabs these tiny little hairs. And I think this one, because it needs a good chunk of hair, like it doesn't grab it as well. So that's my problem, but that's not the straightener's problem. It is something that I just gotta learn to do it. Like, look, I think I can figure it out if I really get in there, you know? Guys, I know I've been putting up my weight loss series, like vlogs. I'm not gonna vlog every day. I tried to vlog today, which is day 4. And I don't know, somehow my vlogging camera says that my SD card is locked. So it won't let me vlog anything. I did go to the gym just to have it on record. To the gym like at 8 in the morning this morning and took a picture, labeled it day 4 just, you know, to kind of keep track of it. I'm gonna change the name to 100 days at the gym challenge. So we'll see how that goes, and I was gonna go tonight, but honestly guys, I just wanted to film. I have a few videos that I really should be filming and I'm not, and I'm just like not on it, so I need to get on it. And I kind of pin back what I have and then I let the rest loose and we're ready to go. Look at, I look so cute. Just kidding, haha. We work with what we got, guys. We work with what we got. You know what? I should vlog with my big camera and just be a rock star and just do it. And I really like this, takes no time. If you can see, I'm just like running it through, and honestly, it's so quick. And voila, that's pretty much all I do. It's pretty much, I do try to like volumize this side of the head, this side. And then once it's down, I'll just kind of make sure I get the back, you know, like really, really good. You just push it until it turns off, and that is done. So this is what my hair looks like. I haven't really styled it. As you guys can see, I just finished straightening it, but I think it looks good to go. Like when I'm in a hurry, this is what you get. This is what I get. Do that whole thing and just tease it, and it's good to go. I really like it. I'm enjoying my short hair. Like if anything, I would even have it, now that I see it growing, I would have it cut a little shorter because I'm loving it. But that is it, guys. If you did like this video, please give me a thumbs up. It does help me out a lot. Subscribe if you're not yet, and also hit the notification bell so that it notifies you when I upload more videos like this. If you want to buy this, it will be linked down below. Also make sure to check if there's a coupon code, because I'm pretty sure they gave me one. I just gotta check. And that's it. We'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.